Today we're going to be installing the Palm Beach tune I got in my email, the 93 tune. We're going to install that today, and let's see how different it is from stock. It's pretty noticeable, I've heard. Right now I'm back on stock tune, as you can see. Well, you can't really see or tell, but okay, maybe, yeah, you can tell because it's not plugged in, but you know, but yeah. But we're gonna go to my buddy Marcus's house to install it because I don't have the software. He's the one that has that, so we're gonna go ahead and do that over there, and I'll see y'all soon. Alright, y'all, so we are in the kind of the data log process, and there it is, 93. I'm gonna choose 93. Special options available, continue. You change your tire size? No. No, I did not. No. No. Disable preloaded tune. Alright, continue. Okay. Alright. Continue. I got my buddy here helping me things to do. Yeah, it's windy out here in Orlando. Turnkey on. It's already on. I guess there is. Okay, so it's already going crazy. I'm gonna do that. I'll get back to y'all until everything goes regular again. So yeah. Alright, so my buddy's gonna hold the camera, and it is a noticeable difference right here. But we're out in Mexico, of course. But downshift maybe to 6th or 5th. Let's do 3rd. It is crazy, guys. Like, the shifts in this thing is now insane. Like, I'm getting 8,000 RPM shifts without E85. Imagine with E85, this thing is gonna be insane. Tune in that for next month, the E85, y'all. But this tune from Palm Beach it works. It really works. I'll put a stock run so you can see how it shifts, but this is insane. But anyways, I'll see y'all guys in the next video. This is Walter with Ultra's Car signing out.